Hey, happy Tamiya Tuesday. I'm starting off the Volkswagen Beetle. So that should be my Herbie Love Bug. And that's on the MO6, and it has the rear mounted motor for this MO6, and it's the MO6L, which means long wheelbase. So let's open up that box, but before, let's check something out. So the MO6 chassis is really different than the other M platform. This one is actually rear-wheel drive. Pretty much all the other one are front-wheel drive. Mind you, some of them you can actually convert them to be front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, but it's a little tricky, but it's been done. So this one, and what's different on this one also, is that the battery is actually right in the center. On the other MO3, MO4, and MO5 chassis, the battery goes from side to side. So this one has it right in the center. This kit did come with the ESC, and it did come with the motor. So the only thing I have to supply on this would be the servo and the receiver and transmitter. And there is a lot of hop-ups. I did buy bearings, so I do have the bearings. They say that the MO5 bearing kit fits into the MO6, so it's got all the same bearings. There is some aluminum hop-ups. I did not buy any hop-ups. On most of my kits, I don't believe in hop-ups. I just build them for the fun of it and just for having fun with them. So I usually don't upgrade them unless I really need to. So this is going to be a very fun build. So let's check out what's in the box. Body. There's a body in there. Oh my God. So we have chrome. I like the fact that they actually chromed a lot of stuff. I hope they have a different set of light to actually make it so that we can actually put real headlights in there. That would be really neat. If not, I might have to look online to see if I can find something. But front bumper is aluminum, rear bumper is aluminum, and the mirrors are also very nice and aluminum. Like you can tell, one is round and the other one is kind of oval. And I think that's how the Volkswagen was. So there's one round one and one that's actually kind of a square oval. And there's actually a rear view mirror somewhere, because it does show in the box. On the box here, there's a rear view mirror, and it does show it has wipers. So there's probably another tree somewhere that has these parts. So I'm not sure what these white ones are, but we're gonna find out. Hey, I have tires. 2 tires. And here's the bags of goodies. What's nice with Tamiya, they each put the bag A, B, and C, and there's probably a D there. There's a motor. There's a motor, and you got your gears for the center diff. Here's the ESC, which is a brushless system, but you can run a brushed motor on here, or a brushless. This is a new ESC that they've started putting in kits. And it runs pretty good. I have them in about three of my kits. Now this body is nice. The only thing I wished is that they did not put the body post. So I might keep the body post, or I might try to hide them and actually put a sticker on top of it or whatever, and use my magnet, what I usually do for bodies, because it just looks so much nicer and real. Gives it some true realism. But this is a nice little body. I know that's probably written on the box somewhere, but I did not check. But here's pretty much the wheelbase in the center to the front. You're looking at close to 9 1/4, about 9 1/4, 9 1/2 inch. That's the but the complete length of that body is pretty long. So the whole truck is going to be probably about is going to be about 14 inches. It's going to be nice. Oh, I got tire foam. That's one thing I found with the Tamiya kits. Some of them, you do not get the tire foam. So I had some kits that actually did not have foam. This one did come with the foam, which is nice. Oh, here are my second set of wheels. So they are not rally wheels, but they're nice little wheels for the MO chassis. And I did get some bearings. So they're not Fast Eddie bearings, but they're from the store Great Hobbies, close to Ottawa, well, in Ottawa. So I got all my bearings there. And we have some trees, more trees, plastic trees. Everything is nice and black. Here's the transmission. A lot of piece for the transmission. There's a lot of cases. But the instruction is going to tell me. I never built an MO6 before, so it's going to be my first one that I actually built. So it should be interesting and fun. When looking at these, I'm looking for the bottom tray or the two-side trays, but there's not. There's actually a flat panel, a flat bottom, like most RC. So this one does not have, like the MO3, MO4, and MO5, two chassis that actually sandwich together to actually make the chassis part. It actually has a bottom port. So that's the front, and this is going to be the rear. And more parts. Oh, I guess I don't have a mirror that's chrome. I didn't see yet. But I do have nice chrome wheels. So it's going to give me more realism. So I gotta have some hubcaps somewhere for it. Because these have that, and now I need that little hubcap. Must be on somewhere else. And then we have manual. Whole bunch of stickers. There we go. There's the chassis. Interesting. Well, this is going to be a fun little build. Let's get it going.